Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows is ready. Verify you run Windows 10 or 11 and have recent updates installed so Defender can register correctly. Sign in with an administrator account. This matters because you'll change system defaults. Once done, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus. Those programs often unregister Defender. This prevents conflicts and ensures Windows security can become the default protection solution without being blocked by alternate security services. You now activate Microsoft Defender as the system default. Go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then open Windows Security. From there, enable real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection so definitions and scans run automatically. Make sure tamper protection is on to prevent unauthorized changes. Next, open Security Center and confirm Defender is listed as the default for antivirus, firewall, and web protection. If it's not, select Defender for each category to register it as the primary service. You finish by verifying protections and resolving common issues. Run a full or quick scan and review protection history to confirm definitions and scan engines are active. Then restart the PC so all default registrations take effect, and re-enable any trusted exclusions for software that needs access. If Defender remains disabled, check Group Policy or Services for leftover third-party antivirus entries and remove them. These remnants often keep Windows security from becoming the default until...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.